Hi, this is Heather from the Personal Relationship Firm. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the basics about setting up users for your site. Now, one of the benefits of WordPress is that we can establish multiple administrative accounts that can be used for different purposes. And right now, what I'm in is the user panel. So if you go along the sidebar, you're going to see this is where you access anything and everything that's included in your site. So under the category of users, you're going to, if you click on that, see this quick drop-down list. Upon the launch of deanmills.org, we set up 3 user accounts. The first is the administrator or main administrator. We always do that, and it's basically a placeholder where we can make sure that we're being alerted if there's any updates that are required on your site. So you'll see that the email address associated is webmaster at the personal relationship firm. The role is administrator, and you'll see if there's any posts or events that that account has created. The second is actually the site owner. In this case, Dean Mills from deanmills.org is the site owner, and we've set him up as an author. And then the third is Denise Thackston. Denise is the managing partner at the PR firm, so we always set up a primary user for her as well. Now, if I click on here, you're going to see that I can define several different user levels: administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, and calendar contributor. So, for example, administrator allows any user to change, delete, update, anything and everything. So from navigation to pages to posts to features and plugins and themes. If you don't know what all those things are, it gives you a hint why we don't normally set up a main administrator account for the daily use of our web owners. So for example, Dean Mills, really, we realized that he's not that comfortable with too much technology, so we have created an author account, which means that he can add information to his site, but he can't accidentally delete things. An editor allows the addition and deletion of information. So right now, until Dean gets comfortable, we want him to be able to add things, but we don't want him to accidentally delete something and be, a little horrified by making a painful mistake. We do at the PR firm always establish a daily backup on all the sites that we create. So even if one of our clients makes a mistake, it's pretty much recoverable, but that recovery process does require us to do additional work and is an additional charge. So we try to protect people from themselves. The next category is contributor, and contributors are, for example, if we had created a blog that had multiple users and you had someone who was going to be writing columns on a particular topic, we would set them up as a contributor. And then subscriber, that's basically your fans. So one of the things that's nice about a WordPress site is that people can subscribe to it. So when you add information, it pings them and they keep up to date with, like in this case, with Dean's events and concerts. The next is calendar contributor. Dean's site includes a specialized calendar feature that allows him to add event details so that people can see where he's playing, how to get there, view an integrated map, etc. So I hope this video has helped you understand user roles, why we've set up particular levels of administration by account. And in the next video, I'm going to go into showing you how to add information to your site.